This is the pimento tree. Pimento is one of those spices that we use in cooking and baking. It's also known as allspice. My husband is telling me. Thank you, David. Thank you, my dear. So yes, this is the pimento. That's the leaves, and that's the pimento seed, or berry, and more so berry. This is the berry itself. And yes, David is letting me know it's used to make liquor. Yeah, these ones, right? These ones?
Ripe ones are used to make liquor, and the dried ones are used to make spices
Okay.
for cooking, for baking and cooking.
Okay.
People use it to season meat, like beef and pork, and that sort of thing.
It's also used in sorrel, right?
Yeah.
The dried ones?
Yes.
Yes. We don't have the dried ones here right now, but I will show you the dried ones. For those of you who don't know pimento, the pimento, it is also called allspice. Yeah, so that's pimento and the pimento tree. And yes, that's country living. These are the pimento seeds. Yes, you saw the tree that it came from. These are the seeds, and yeah, these are great for as a spice. Yeah, you can put it in food to season your food, whether rice. You can put it in beverage, like you're doing rice and peas, or you want to cook. You can put it in meats. Whether you want to put it in your juices. Yes, one great juice that it can go in is the sorrel. Yeah, it can go into the sorrel drink, or the sorrel juice, and it gives it a nice flavor, and it can also help in fermentation. But then yes, if you are thinking about wines or so, it's something you can try if you're interested in that. So yes, you got to be careful of the fermentation that it brings if you leave it in your juices for a long time. And that's country living, and this is your Monday Meds, and I'm your health educator, Tanisha Lawrence. Keep watching. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Keep watching.